Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hello Helper, and today I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode in Windows 11. So friend, here I'm going to show you some advanced and quick method to enable dark mode in Windows 11. So keep watching. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open settings page. So what we will do, simply search settings. So whenever you type settings, then you will get this option. So simply open your settings page, and now we are going to click on this personalize because we want to enable dark mode. You simply click on this personalize, and after that you can select this color section which is available over here. Okay, you simply click here. So what you will do here, you will get one more option, choose your mode option. You can simply find out, choose your option. So here what you will do, simply click on this drop down button which is available over here. So here you can see three options are available, like dark mode and light mode. You simply click on this dark mode, so your Windows will convert into dark mode. So this is very simple method, you can do that. So now I'm going to show you a quick method to do dark mode. So what you will do, simply search dark. So whenever you type dark, then you will get this option. You simply click on that, so you will get this option directly. You can enable or disable dark mode by this way. So friend, in this way you can easily enable and disable dark mode in your Windows 11. So friend, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click on like button, and coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel because we are uploading this type of tutorials every day. And friend, don't forget to share this tutorial to your friends so they will also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any queried question, you can comment below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.